Hello everyone, back at the layout again. I want to do this video to show you how easy it is to get started with NCE DCC system. This was my first starter set I got from NCE. It was from a recommendation from the club, the Model Railroad Club, that they used NCE. So let's just go through how to get started real quickly. Alright, so once you get your power cap box, you see this is the serial number right there. It's $160 for this system. It's actually not that expensive to get started, but it's so easy to use. Here we go. Opening the box. You have your manual. This is a very handy guide. You're going to definitely need that. Alright. Get your throttle. This coiled cord, this phone cable looking cord, you don't really need it because this is only for adding extra cabs to your layout. Here's the circuit board. This is basically the brains and the whole computer behind the DCC, and it's amazing because this is a 3-amp system and it does a phenomenal job. And this is the cord we're going to be using because this is the only one it works with. This bus cable right there, and then this is the power supply. Now I've already unpacked this several times, because I had this set up before. So I'm going to show you what you need to hook it up. Real easy and simple. Alright, Atlas makes these terminal joiners. Okay, so these terminal joiners here are going to be used to hook up to the track. As you see, it already has like a section that has the wire already soldered in, because this is my pro system here, my powerhouse. This is what it will look like. Okay, so that's a whole different setup, but that's for more of a professional, advanced type of setup. But we're going to do the basic DCC system setup, and this is not saying that the power cab is not bad at all. I actually think this is actually a good system to get started with, and if you're not running as many locomotives as I am, so you don't really need anything that big or expensive. So we're going to do this exact same thing. This thing does a phenomenal job again, and we're going to start by stripping some wire. Okay, for first you need to do is strip some wire. Put my phone down right here for a second. Get yourself a good pair of wire strippers. At the end of here, there's a clamp here to strip some wire. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the phone and strip the wire at the same time. All you need to do is just strip off a little piece. When it's stripped off, it will look like this. There you go. Okay, so now we're just going to install this. Sorry about the video quality. I'm trying to do the best I can here. I'm trying to hold this and do it at the same time. The very end that we just stripped, right here. There we go. We're going to install. Get my hand out the way. The video. We're going to place it in, and then we're going to take a screwdriver. I'm just going to tighten this up right here. I'll show you which area I stuck the screwdriver in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What you're doing, you're basically taking the terminal joiner that you stripped one end from Atlas. Here's the end that's going to go to the track. Here's the end that's going to go to your DCC circuit board right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to place it into this hole. Okay, you're going to use a mini flat head screwdriver to do it. Once you have loosened the top of this screw right here, you don't need to touch anything else here. It's just these screws. Sorry about the blur a little bit. Right there on top. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to tighten it. Once you put the wire in, you'll tighten it down. And this is all the wiring you need to do. And everything else is really simple. Just tightening that. Okay, that's done. All the wiring is done. I put the two wires in. You can see that they're in perfectly. Alright. Sorry about the little shake there with the video, because now I have a piece of flex track here, just for an example, for demonstration purposes. We are going to connect this. Slide a terminal joiner on, and then we're just going to put the second one on. I like these terminal joiners from Atlas. They're so simple. You can get them at your local hobby store. They're like $2.50. They're like really inexpensive, and they're just amazing because it requires no soldering whatsoever. There it is, clean install. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. You run that to here. Now, let's go back to your box. We're going to grab the power supply. Of course, it's the easiest part, put it in the outlet. Grab this end here, and you're going to place it into this socket. There it goes. So it looks like this. You can get this out the way. So there it is, into here, here, into here, and we're going to grab the flat cable. Okay, this side on the right is for extra cabs, so we're going to put it in on the left because that's the primary. Take the flat cable. Sorry about the shakiness. Put it in to the left side, and you grab your cab, obviously from the bottom, pop that in, should come on. Okay, you'll notice the red light is on here. That means you're up and running. So let's just grab a locomotive and we'll give it a try. We got a GP15 here. We're just going to place it right here on the track. Really nice and easy. The locomotive number is 1452. There it is. Usually the locomotive numbers are, sorry about that, are generally they're programmed to the address of 3. But because this one was already programmed, we'll get to programming a little later. You can also comment and ask me how to program, and I will definitely show you. So we're going to hit the headlight key. Right there, this is the headlight button. Watch the engine. Headlight on, off. That means we got control of it. And there's the select locomotive right here. Usually you press the select loco, and it'll tell you to enter the locomotive number. So we'll put in, again, 1452 just for an example. Hit enter on the enter key right here. Now this light's a little tough to make it see how the screen's showing. That's 1452. This is the L for the headlight. And then you can either move this wheel up right here. There's the direction we're going. Actually, hang on a second. 52. There we go. Now we'll try again. There we go. Oh well. Well, unfortunately, it just toppled over. Anyway, hopefully you don't have your engine fall off the track, but that's how you set it up. It's really quick, it's really easy. Running DCC, just make sure that you get a locomotive that's DCC either ready or DCC equipped, so you can add a decoder. If you need any more help, I will be glad to give you some advice, comments, anything you need. Sorry about the video, we're going to do it again. Hopefully there it goes. There's the engine, and you're running in DCC. It is really simple. Here we go. Try and get the light, and then we go into reverse. It says REV. As you notice, the light on the back of the locomotive will change direction when you switch forward or reverse. Okay. So there you have it. I know this is a tough video to look at because I'm trying to do everything with two hands, and there we go. It's very difficult, but setting up DCC, very simple, very quick, very easy. All thanks to this power cab. It's all you need. This system is a complete system in box. Nothing else need to buy. And if you need any more demonstration videos, how to set up concepts, just feel free to comment, send me a message. I'll be gladly to help. And hopefully this helps, makes everything a little easier. So thanks for watching, and have a good day.